How to delete or turn off screen time passcode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down. Then in here, we tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down. Then tap on Change Screen Time Passcode. From the pop-up, tap on Turn off Screen Time Passcode. And then you need to enter in the current screen time passcode. And that's it. Once you enter in the correct passcode, your passcode for the screen time is now removed and switch off. And that's it. You can now freely access website or do other things without restrictions. Or if there are restrictions in place, you can manually remove them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.